Takaji TV every day. Woo! Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I will talk about famous soccer players. Soccer has produced many great players. They have made soccer more exciting and inspired millions of people around the world. Today, I will introduce four of the most famous players in soccer history. First, let's talk about Pelé. Pelé was born in Brazil and is one of the greatest players of all time. He won 3 FIFA World Cups with Brazil. No other player has won 3 World Cups. Many people call him the king of soccer. Next, let's talk about Diego Maradona. He was from Argentina. He helped his country win the 1986 World Cup. His most famous goals are the Hand of God and the goal of the century. He is still loved by many fans. Now, let's talk about Lionel Messi. Messi is one of the best players in the world today. He has won many titles and many individual awards. In 2022, he helped Argentina win the FIFA World Cup. Many people believe he is the greatest player of this generation. Next is Cristiano Ronaldo. He is from Portugal. He is known for his hard work, speed, and powerful shoot. He has scored hundreds of goals for his clubs and his national team. He encourages many young players to work hard and never give up. All of these players have different styles, but they all love soccer and have worked very hard to become great players. They have brought joy to millions of fans around the world. My favorite player is Lionel Messi. I like his dribbling, passing, and teamwork. He always plays for his team and never gives up. He inspires me to be a better soccer player. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned more about some of the best soccer players in history. My next video will be about the FIFA World Cup. I will talk about its history, famous matches, and why it is the biggest soccer tournament in the world. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.
登録登録登録登録登録登録登録